Hi, good morning guys. Nick here with Kaizink Screen Print and Embroidery. Today we're over at our Ozzy station. We are changing out some of the pads and adding some fluid in it. So anytime you need to add fluid to your Ozzy wash, typically you're going to remove one of the pads that are in here. We're down to our last pad, so we have to replace all of them. So we're going to take this last pad out. There's going to be a little foam piece in here. We're also going to remove that. Now if there's any debris or anything covering this, covering the holes down here, you kind of want to use a hard card or something. You can scrape that up. All the holes appear to be fairly open, so we're going to leave that. Then you're going to grab your new pads. The new pads come, just says this side up. You want the blue pad to go down. So we're just going to lay that down. And then we're going to put the lid down and fill her up. And how you fill her up, you're just going to basically dump the Ozzy juice into the basin here, and it's just going to soak down into the tank down there. So that's all we got for you guys. Thank you.